Alright, we're on the Andres's road to sample size, and now we are here doing animal yoga, or supposedly animal yoga. I still don't know what the hell that means. We're here in this private gym called Vitru in Hollywood. Super dope gym, actually. They even got like their own little bar back there. This should be exciting.
Easy. Walking smart, bro. My legs are cutting. Not a beast, not dead beast. Yeah. No. Alright, we just crushed this animal flow yoga. He actually, our homie just asked us to teach the next class. He did such a good job.
Yeah, it was good.
On 1 to 100, what would you rate us? You can be honest.
Brutally honest?
Yeah.
110.
Ah, this guy's the best salesman.
Fake news.
I give these guys 100% because the effort and
Good.
you guys actually trying is great.
I think the one thing that I noticed overall, like the takeaway, is that every joint in your body literally gets used, including your fingers. So,
and this is from world famous fitness expert.
Von did it right here.
Von did it.
Yeah, well, you guys did a great job.
Thanks, bro.
Awesome.
Thanks, bro. We'll be back.
Thank you.
Yep, for sure.
Hit my goal today, 218, so we're 12 days early from the weight loss goal for January. Estamos aquí in Runyon Canyon. Shut up, dog. What's up? Yeah, celebrities and shit. Oye, papi, aquí estamos en el hike en esta montaña. Ho! Alright, we're done with the hike, 2-hour hike with the crew. The crew, Jaleel White telling stories from Buenos Aires, me falling off the horses playing polo, and shit. I'm down 2 pounds from the prior week. Cheated a little bit this past weekend. Didn't eat that bad, but definitely consumed a little too much alcohol, which probably offset the acceleration of the weight loss. Overall, good results. I'm not that happy though. I'm gonna be in London next weekend, so it's gonna be hard to avoid drinking there. It's so dark and gloomy and all you do is sit indoors. Anyways, overall, positive week. Catch you guys next week.